Everyone, how do you do? I hope you will be fine and doing great in your life and learning this language very well. And this is Varsha. Welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel English with Varsha. Yeah, I'm also quite well, fit and fine and doing great in my life and learning this language very well. My dear friends, it is the time of morning. So first of all, good morning to everybody. And you know very well, today is day 35 of my speaking challenge, so that is why just I'm standing outside of my house and recording myself. It is the time of morning, amazing view, you can see the sun raises. Yes, so in today's video I'm going to show you, not only tell you, I'm going to show you something special, amazing, beneficial tree, something outstanding tree. Yes, you know about this tree, but in this video I will tell you each and everything related to this amazing tree. Okay, so that is situated, that is placed right outside of my house. Yes, so it is enhancing the beauty of my house, so that is why I thought that I will tell you and I should tell you about this tree. And you know very well about the benefits, about the speciality, about the quality, okay, of this tree. But in today's video, I will tell you each and every detail, each and every information related to this amazing tree. So first of all, I will show you the picture of this tree. After that, I will tell you every detail related to this amazing tree, because this tree is related to our spiritual emotions, spiritual feelings. And in the month of Savan, it has very important place, it has very significant place in the month of Savan. Okay, because Lord Shivji loves it a lot. So you understand that, you will understand. And what I'm going to show you, what I'm going to tell you. So first of all, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications related to my all special upcoming videos. Okay, so without wasting any single moment, without wasting any precious time, let's jump into this video. So dear friends, this video is going to be very amazing, interesting, mind-blowing, outstanding. So please watch this video till the end. Okay, every minute, every second, every detail, every information of this video is really very helpful for you, including me. Yes, so watch this video till the end. So first of all, I will show you the picture of this tree. After that, I will tell you each and every detail related to this amazing tree. Okay, so bet I'm going to show you. Yes, now you can see this tree, and that is placed outside of my house. You can see from up to down and down to up. You can see clearly. Yes, I'm going to show you clearly. Yes, we say in our area bel tree, bel ka ped. Okay, and apart from that, we can say wood apple tree. Okay, you can see the greenery of this tree, amazing, mind blowing. You can see the greenery, you can see the beauty of this tree, amazing. Okay, this is called whale tree, wood apple tree, and that is placed outside of my house. You can see the view outside of my house, and it is situated right outside of my house. Yes, it is so amazing, so beautiful, so lovely. And I will tell you each and everything related to this tree. Okay, and you can see, my dear friends, the branches of this tree is touching to the sky. It is too large. It is too large. Okay, the branches of this tree is touching to the sky, and the leaves of this tree are so dense and green. You can see the greenery of this tree. It is enhancing the beauty of my house from outside. Okay, so dear friends, you can see on this tree so many bale fruit, bale fruit placed on a tree. But all these bale fruit right now are raw. You can't see it, even one single whale fruit on this tree ripe. Okay, because it is not time of ripening them. So in the month of Saban, June, July, all these um, bale fruits will be ripe. Okay, so now you can see each and every bale fruit are raw. एक भी आपको पका दिखाई नहीं देगा. ओके, सभी कच्चे हैं, all are raw. And in the month of Savan, June, July, each and every bale fruit, they will be ripe. Okay, and I love to drink the bale juice, bale fruit juice. Okay, and it is very very useful, beneficial for our health, and I love it. I love you. I don't know about you, but I love to drink bale juice. Bale juice. My family members also love to drink bale juice. Okay, and you can see the beauty of this tree, each and every detail. Okay, and it plays very very. It has very very uh, important. It has very very significant role in the month of Sawan, because in the month of Sawan we are offered bale leaves, bale tree leaves, bale की पत्तियाँ to the Lord Shivji. It is believed that in the month of Sawan, offered bale tree leaves to Lord Shivji to make him pleased, and he fulfill our all dreams and desire quickly. Okay, it is believed, and it is really not believe. It is really in the month of Sawan. Everybody wants to offer Lord Shivji bale fruit, bay leaves, and apart from that we offered so many different kind of things like bale fruit, dhatura, bhang, flowers, sweets, incense, lamps, so many things we offered to Lord Shivji, and for our prosperity, for our progress, for our family's well-being. Yes, so apart from that we offered bale trees leaves, bale trees leaves. Okay, so that is situated outside of my house, and you can see it is enhancing the beauty of my house. Okay, and I love to drink whale juice, and we offered in the month of Sawan Lord Shivji, and it is believed that Lord Shivji loves it, and we fulfill our desires and destinations, and everybody wants to offer Lord Shivji bale tree leaves and whale tree and so many different kind of things. Actually it is related to our spiritual emotions, spiritual feelings. So that is why just I want to show you, I wanted to show you about the beauty of this tree. Okay, you know very well. And from up to down, from up to down and down to up, you can see. And now I'm going to show you the beauty of this tree on the top of the roof. Okay, right now I'm standing outside of my house and recording it, and I'm showing to you. But now I'm going to on the top of the roof, and from the top of the roof I will show you the beauty, the greenery of this tree. Okay, so wait, I'm going to on the top of the roof. Hello friends, now I am standing. Now, right now I'm standing on the top of the roof, and from here you can see. From here you can see on the top of the roof you can see, and the beauty of this tree. Okay, the leaves of this tree are so dense and green. Yes, so amazing tree. Yes, so many different kind of plants you can see on the top of the roof. This is a blackberry tree. Yes, and this is the show creeper. I don't know about this name. So you can see right now I'm standing on the top of the roof, and the branches of this tree are touching to the sky, touching to the sky. Okay, yes. So dear friends, you can see. So dear friend, this is what I wanted to show you, and this is amazing tree, outstanding tree, and that is situated outside of my house. It is enhancing the beauty of my house, and amazing tree. And everybody wants to offer in the month of Sawan bale tree leaves, bale fruits, so many different kind of things we offer to Lord Shivji for fulfilling our desires, destinations, ambitions, for our prosperity, progress, okay, for our bright future, for our success life. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you. And if you think this video is constructive, supportive, advantageous, valuable for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon, and do be cautious, do share this video. Okay, we will meet in next video next time. Till that, bye bye.